The repair shop star Dominic Chinea gave fans an in-depth look at his country home, which was once an old post office. The repair shop star Dominic Chinea stepped away from the BBC show's beloved workshop to give fans a tour of his incredible 17th-century home. The metalwork expert is a much-loved member of the restoration team, who also gained a huge following through his YouTube channel, where he shares more projects and builds. Dominic shared his house tour on his page and walked viewers across his sprawling garden, which had plants such as daffodils, among the multiple raised beds and a large greenhouse. He also shared that his garden contained 2 beehives but no bees, as the TV star revealed the insects had relocated as part of his house move. As Dominic shared the process of furniture being moved out, his once large, lived-in kitchen boasted of stunning wooden beams across the ceiling and shared, it was the oldest bit of the house. The expert divulged, from what I've been told, this house was built roughly around the 1680s or 1690s, so it's very, very old. No foundations, like someone just stamped out a bit of mud and was like, yeah, we'll build a house, that'll be fine, it's lasted hundreds of years so it's done okay. Speaking on the work he's done in the kitchen, Dominic added, these beams, for example, were covered in a black tar horrible paint, so these have been dry iced blasted, absolutely brilliant. The kitchen, with a sign hanging on the wall reading Telegraph Office, recalled the house's past as a post office. Just above the wooden worktops was a wooden dollhouse replica of Dominic's house, with a coffee machine, toaster and soaps beside the deep sink. The craftsman then walked fans through the dark living room, which he explained had a lime wash and complemented his dark brown bookshelf and white couches, which added a pop of brightness. As well as a reading nook in the wall, there was also a photo of his home as the original post office, with the staff posing outside the building. Taking a trip up the wood-stained stairs, Dominic showed off the original doors, that he spent hours and hours stripping and oiling. One bedroom was lime-washed pink and had the traditional white cast-iron radiators. Although the bedrooms were now empty due to the move, he included photos of how it was previously furnished. The second of the 3 bedrooms was brighter and had a fireplace which Dominic managed to get working. On the 3rd floor was the loft, which had been converted, with a door leading to another bedroom. However, there was another hidden staircase which led to a creepy basement where he admitted to keeping his winter jelly and chutney as they last really nicely, due to its cool temperature.